갑자기 내게 나타나준 너.
Hi guys, good morning. Now I just woke up.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's
See you guys. Bye. Hello guys, good morning. Bagor akong mata kay tapos bagor akong naligo kay nakoy lakaw karon. Ato ko city center actually. It's just very close from here. Anyways, but hello guys, good morning. Bagor akong mata kay tapos bagor akong naligo kay nakoy lakaw karon. Ato ko city center actually. It's just very close from here. Anyways, but kagagura mo ko naligo, so kailangan na ito i-cleanse ang atong face. Using this, actually, my friend just recommended this to me. Actually, it's very nice. It's very good. Di ka na ako natulog guys, pero ambot nga no, nga pagpanglimpyo na ko partamang yung hugawa, tanawa. O hugaw. So after that, na ako ginagamit nga facial serum. Actually, dili na ako ni ma-explain kay in finish mo siya. So guys, hi. So, mura na siya akong suot karon kay diharaman ko maglaglag sa duol. So, kanilang mura na siya guys. Wala ko nang limpyo sa balay guys kay actually kapoy pang limpyo wa pa niabot ang mga maintenance nga mag-check sa kuan sa unsay tawagan sa mag-check sa heater na mo. So, wala ko limpyo kay murag gyapon magbalik akong trabaho guys. So sagdan sa ako kay mura man gyapon. Guys, mag-change tag outfit guys kay nagtaligsik sa gawas. Dili pwede ngunin ni ratong sanina. So magbutang tag hoodie guys. Kaninga hoodie actually I bought this from Barcelona. Yeah. From Pull&Bear. Yeah, Pull&Bear brand. So guys, magbaktas na ta padulong sa center. I'm going to take coffee. Karwe. Tetap. Babush. Oot tayo take. Onko sillä vähän tuota lämpimää tuota niinku leipää? Joo.
Sen voi lämmittää, mutta toki voin käyttää noita patokeeksi tuossa uunissa, jos haluat.
Okei. Mä voin sitä vaikka croissantia.
Joo, syötkö tässä vai?
Joo.
Tässä.
Joo, kyllä. Mä otan myöskin pieni kahvi varmaan. So this is picnic. Mä otan tästä video tässä. Mä laitan mun.
Joo.
Ei se ole haittaa. Joo. Ei sitä ole mitään pahaa ole. Ops. Otitko sä kahvimaksua?
Joo, kyllä.
Yes. So I have to pay. I don't have any cash, so I have to do this. Yes.
No, se puhutaan.
So guys, right here is the coffee. I'm at picnic. So it's quite famous in here. So it's very clean and very friendly. customer service. Of course, when I ordered something in the restaurant or shops, I have to speak it in Finnish because well, I can survive. So I have to drink this first, guys, because it's still raining outside. Okay, bye. So guys, I'm going here. Class Olson. Let's go inside. I have to take this. This one is actually she has camera, but she needs something for her phone. What's the difference between this one? Okay, this one's bigger. Well, actually, I mostly prepare this one. This one is okay. So, so I guess I'm taking this one. This one. So guys, I have already this one that I bought. So I don't know where I'm going now. I will go to find something to eat. I have this already. Yes. Bye-bye. Hello guys. So now I'm back home. Gaulan sa gawas. So nagbas ko. Kapoy kayo. Kaya gataligsik yun sa gawas. Ay, actually, magkuan ko guys. Unsa na? Maglabaw sa ako kay. Thank you for watching guys. Maghimo na pud ko siguro og maog new video. So please subscribe my channel. Bago pa na siya guys, gahapon pa jud ko nagsugod og kuan sa akong channel. Post og mga videos. This is only for fun. So but subscribe guys. So every videos na siya kuan, na siya something na something na new nga iyan no. So bye bye guys.